So what we're going to do is we're going to learn some guitar basics straight away. If you're an absolute beginner, these are some essentials that will help you on your way. What you'll need is a guitar and some hands. There we go. Okay, so let's do this. So let's look at your guitar first of all. So you've got the head of your guitar, which is here. On the head you've got these tuning keys. You turn them one way, it tightens the string, which puts the pitch up. Turn them the other way, it lowers the string and lowers the pitch. Okay, so this is called your neck. On top of the neck you've got your frets, and that's how you make a sound. So let's try something. We're going to take this first finger and we're going to pop it under the guitar, press it right down really hard on that first fret in the middle. Okay, you're going to push down like you're pushing on a button. So underneath, press down really hard, and then with the thumb of the right hand on that top string there, you're just going to push down. You do it? Ready? Hooray! You've made a sound. Now we can carry this on. We can put your middle finger, your next finger, on that middle of the second fret, and then the ring finger, the third finger, you can put on that third fret, and then the next finger on the fourth, and then you've got an exercise there, and you can go backwards. Brilliant. So you can play something now, and it's a nice exercise to get your fingers moving. So let's have a look at the fingers. So you've got your thumb, this is called your index finger, your first finger. That's called your middle finger, your second finger. That one's called your ring finger, and this is your little finger. Thumb, index, middle, ring, little. Ta-da! Okay, so let's look at the strings on the guitar. So, how do you remember the names? Well, the names are E, A, D, G, B and E. Got that? Of course you haven't. Okay, so here's a nice poem so you can remember it nice and easily. Elephants and dogs grow big ears. So, elephants and dogs grow big ears. Got that? E, A, D, G, B and E. Ta-da! Okay, so you now know the names of the fingers. Okay? Thumb, index, middle, ring, little. You know the names of the strings. Elephants and dogs grow big ears. You know your head of your guitar, and you know what these do, your tuning heads. Okay, you know the neck of the guitar, you've got your frets, and the sound comes out here. So you're on your way, those are the basics, go for it!